Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to turn on dark mode in TradingView. Fixed theme not changing in mobile devices and desktop. Okay, so firstly we will see how we can turn on dark mode. So you can firstly click on the menu once you open the TradingView mobile application. Then after click on setting icon. Here you will find the first setting is a theme settings. Simple tap on it and then you have a two options light theme or dark theme. To turn on dark mode, simple press the dark button and then after the dark mode will be enabled if it's set to light mode. I will show you. Once I will press the dark mode will be enabled. Okay, if the dark mode is not changing in your mobile device, don't worry, I have a solution. So firstly you can simple close your mobile device completely. After that you can simple press and hold the application, go to app info, and then after here you can simple press force stop. After once the app will be forced stop, you can simple go back and then restart your device by simple long pressing the power button. And once you complete the restart, you can again open your application. And then you can simple go to the menu bar, press the setting icon, and now you can easily change the theme. Now we will show you how you can do in desktop devices. In desktop mode. So firstly you can simple open the tradingview.com. Okay, once the website will be opened, you can now here simple click on your profile icon. Once you tap here, you will find your profile section will be open. Now here inside the profile section, you will see here dark theme option. Once you will toggle on this feature, you will find that the dark theme will be enabled in TradingView. Okay, so if it will not turns on, so don't worry, we have a fix. You can simple firstly close the TradingView website and reopen it again. Still you are facing, you can simple close the browser by pressing the cross button and then restart your PC or laptop. And then again open the TradingView and then after you will find the TradingView dark theme will be enabled successfully. Okay, here is how you can easily do it. Goodbye.